Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Rarible for creating and listing NFTs step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.rarible.com and press enter. Once the Rarible website loads, look for the Connect Wallet button in the upper right corner. Click on the Connect Wallet button. A list of wallet options will appear on the screen. Choose your preferred wallet from the list, such as MetaMask, Coinbase Wallet, or Wallet Connect. If you select MetaMask, a pop-up will appear prompting you to log in to your MetaMask account. Enter your MetaMask password and click Unlock. Authorize the connection between Rarible and your wallet by clicking Next and then Connect. Now, locate the Create button on the top navigation bar and click on it. You will be taken to the NFT creation page. Choose whether you want to create a single NFT or a multiple NFT collection. Upload the digital file you wish to turn into an NFT by clicking on Choose File. Fill in the required details such as title, decide on the royalties percentage you want to receive from future sales of your NFT. Review all the information to ensure accuracy. Once you are satisfied, click the Create button to mint your NFT. A transaction pop-up will appear in your wallet for confirmation. Review the transaction details in your wallet and click Confirm to proceed. Once the transaction is confirmed, your NFT will be created and listed on Rarible. You can view your created NFT in your profile section by clicking on your wallet address. Congratulations, you have successfully logged into Rarible and created your own NFT. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.